In this video we are going to talk about the best oven mitt in this year, which is Cuisinart's silicone oven mitts. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Heat-proof oven mitts. This set of two glove-shaped silicone oven mitts for cooking are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Protect your fingers to your forearms when you handle hot kitchenware items. A kitchen essential for home cooks/bakers, removing a cake from the oven? Or a pan, pot, or skillet from the stovetop? This Cuisinart high-heat oven mitt set is a must. Protect your hands and arms. Each oven glove is lined with super soft cotton and premium insulated filling to protect your hands, arms and fingers from heat, steam, and grease. No more worries or risk of burning your skin. Non-slip ribbed grip. These kitchen pot holders are made with flexible silicone so you get a secure grip on your cookware items. Each mitt can be used on your left or right hand, ideal for when you're in a rush. Convenient and easy care. Stains are inevitable. When needed, simply hand wash and lay flat to dry. Includes a metal hanging loop for convenience, or store in a drawer. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.